Hey, friends, I welcome you to KHYoungerGame video tutorial series, and we are discussing about computer networking, and in this tutorial we will explore different parts of computer networks. So friends, let's make things simple, and we will be discussing about home-based computer networks. So let us suppose we have got a desktop PC. Our brother has got a laptop. Our dad has got a tablet. He's a techie dad. And our mom, she has got a mobile phone, a smart mobile phone. So friends, now consider that we would like to access internet. We can do it in a couple of ways, but because we are discussing about home networks, that means that we would like to share the internet connection resource. We have already discussed that the purpose of building the network is to share the resources and share the data, and in this scenario internet connection is a resource. So friends, usually someone will tell you that we need a modem and a switch and a router and other stuff to connect to the internet, but in our case, let us suppose we have got a triple play router. A triple play router is a device which can provide the telephony services, the internet connection services, and the TV services built in one device. So our triple play router can access the internet. Let's suppose we have got a fiber optics connection, so our triple play router is connected with the help of the fiber optics, and our triple play router has got a built-in switch, and it has got ports, so we can connect our computer with the help of a networking cable or a networking, you can say, wire. And this triple play router is a very good device, and it has got also the Wi-Fi medium. So our other devices, mobile phone, our laptop, and our tablet can use this router or connect to this router, which is then connected to the internet. So now in this case our devices are sharing a resource, that is an internet connection, and I have already told that we can connect our telephone with in this router, and we can also connect a recorder to our smart television, so we can see movies on IP, and we can see all the programs on IP. So now if you see that there are different end nodes in this diagram, and all these nodes, these devices are called nodes in terms of computer networking, and we use fiber optics, wire, and wireless to communicate. So we use three types of media: fiber optics, cable, and Wi-Fi, and these are called therefore communication medium or communication media. Nodes are first part of our network, communication media is second part, and usually these routers, switches, and modems, they are called the third part, and usually these are also the nodes, but they are classified as networking devices. So this is the simple diagram, and if you would like to complicate it, then let's suppose we have got a Wi-Fi printer and we can connect it with a USB cable to our desktop, and other devices, they can send the command through Wi-Fi. So this is also on the printer is also a part of the node. So friends, we have discussed that they have got three parts of computer networks: nodes, our PC, laptops, etc., communication medium, wires, Wi-Fi, fiber optics, and network components, routers, switches, etc. And in this case, we have discussed about the triple play router. So it has a built-in modem, it has built-in switch, it has built-in Wi-Fi modem, wireless modem, and all the stuff. And in the next tutorial, we are going to discuss about office-based networks, simple office-based network. So see you in next tutorial. Take care. Bye.